Hi guys, good morning. My name is Arun. I'm running a YouTube channel that is Academy Art. The link of the channel is given in this link here. So basically, I'm going to start a new YouTube series that is machine learning zero to hero. So in this YouTube series, I'll be covering the basic and core concepts of machine learning, that is Python. Then I'll be covering some libraries that we require to learn machine learning and data analysis like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. So after covering these libraries, I will be covering various machine learning aspects like the basic stats, which are the most fundamental basis of any machine learning algorithm. Right? Now, for this series, we'll be making a schedule. Schedule will be that I'll be posting three lectures per week. So, first will be on Monday evening that I'll be posting on this channel Monday evening. Then I'll post the second video on Wednesday evening and third on Friday evening. Okay. So, three videos per week, and after this, we will be having one project video that I'll be uploading every Sunday. This is the schedule that we'll be following. Now, what are the prerequisites for doing this course? Now, for this prerequisite, I just need people who have the desire to learn, who have the desire to code, and they want to join me on this roller coaster ride of machine learning. So first module which we'll be following is Python basics. So we'll be following how to install Python and getting familiar with the Jupyter notebooks, then Python basics, then the various data types we have, the special data types like list, tuple, sets, and dictionaries, operator, then if-else statements, loops, functions, advanced Python we'll be covering exception handling, classes, objects, inheritance, map functions, ID tools, lambda functions, decorators, collections, generators, magic methods, regular expression, and threading. So these are the basic. So this module is going to cover the basic Python for machine learning. So next we will be moving to Python libraries that we'll be using for this whole course. Now we will be covering two libraries majorly. First one is NumPy. So this is basically a numerical Python library that we use to do mathematical operations in Python. Second is Pandas. So Pandas is basically a library that we use to do data analysis. And then we will be covering two more libraries, that is Matplotlib and Seaborn. In module 2 we will be following data analysis. So we will be doing some live projects using Python and data analysis. So for that we will be first importing the data, be it a CSV, be it Excel, or you can say be it a JSON file. Then we'll be cleaning the data. We'll apply some cleaning methods. We'll apply some functions that are used to clean the data, and then we'll apply some statistical and aggregate functions that we have on this Python, and that we'll apply on the data. Then we're handling some machine values and filling all the NAs, then data standardizations, normalizations, visualizations, and at the end we will be doing some data reporting. So after doing all these steps, we will be exporting the data into some CSV or Excel file. Right? So this will cover the data analysis part using Python. Okay, now the third module, this is machine learning basis. So I'll be covering what is the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Then I'll be covering the types of machine learning, be it supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement learning. Now, what are the different types of supervised learning? What are the different types of unsupervised and deep learning basics? After having a brief introduction about all of these, we'll be covering to the maths. So, in machine learning, what is at the back end? What are the brains of any machine learning algorithm? It's the maths. So we'll be studying some linear algebra, calculus, stats, hypothesis testing, and probability that are basically used in all the machine learning algorithms that we learn in future. Right? So then we will be following various modules that are required for machine learning. Right? Like how do we train a model? How do we select a model? How do we optimize a model? What are the model evaluation methods, or you can say matrices. So we will be studying about them in module 5. So in module 6 and module 7, so we will be learning about regression models. Now what are regression? We'll learn in this, and some classification models we learn, like we learn about linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, support vector machines, RF, random forest, naive Bayes, KN and K nearest neighbors. So we will be covering the theory part for each algorithm. Then we'll be covering the maths part, and then we'll be building all of these algorithms from scratch using Python. So this will be the whole flow which I'll be following in this complete video series. And then I'll move to a clustering part. So here we'll cover k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, and DB scan. So for this also we'll be first covering the theory part, then we'll cover the maths part, and then we'll build all these algorithms from scratch using the various libraries see that are there to help us. So then at last we'll be doing some association models that we have like a priori, eclat. So we'll be doing these models as well. Now the main interesting thing which you guys will like the most is that every Sunday we will be doing one live hands-on project. This is the first thing, and in this whole series I'll be taking 10 machine learning projects using Python. So I hope you all will like this whole series, and let's join hands to make it a fun activity. Let's start.